Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma for React Native. Figma is a robust design tool, perfect for crafting user interfaces and experiences. React Native allows you to build native mobile applications for both iOS and Android from a single codebase. By integrating these two powerful platforms, you can significantly streamline your design-to-development workflow, ensuring consistency and efficiency across your projects. This synergy helps deliver high-quality mobile apps. When designing in Figma, focus on creating reusable UI components. Utilize features like auto layout to build responsive elements that adapt seamlessly across various screen sizes. Define a comprehensive set of design tokens for consistent colors, typography, and spacing. Organizing these components into a structured design system ensures scalability and maintainability, making it easier for developers to implement your vision with precision and efficiency. Becoming a professional player demands excellent teamwork and communication. Provide concise and accurate callouts specifying enemy locations and health. Work together to execute coordinated pushes or retakes using utility in tandem. Observe your opponent's tendencies and adjust your team's strategy accordingly, exploiting their weaknesses and countering their strengths. To optimize your workflow, establish a clear handoff process between designers and developers. Implement version control for your Figma files to track design iterations and manage changes effectively. Regular design reviews are crucial for gathering feedback and ensuring alignment. Continuously updating your design system components helps maintain a single source of truth, fostering collaboration and accelerating the development of high-quality React Native applications.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.